Okay, so Chris and Joe said I wouldn't do this video about carpet munchers. Well, you're wrong. So I'm just gonna give my basic opinion about it so I can get this over with and do what I have to do. Okay, so my opinion about carpet munching is that it's gross. Because I know some people are like, oh yeah, it's cool, you know, we like it. When really it's gross, because I know when they get up when they're done and they're like, they want to itch their face, but they won't do it. So that's not good, and especially when you don't know what's in there. It's gross. That's pretty much all I have to say is that it's nasty. I would never do it, but I know Joe and Chris would though. They like themselves a good old hairy vagina. Real nappy one. Alright, that's it. Bye.